For decades, HPLC users have been working with the same column design, and the same problems. Clogging at the junction, leaks around high-pressure fittings, unpredictable dead volume, the need for correct tubing size selection, and no space for labeling on short columns. To solve these issues, SIELC developed a completely new HPLC column format, the single-ended column. Instead of two fittings and loose tubing, the adapter connects permanently to the instrument using permanent fittings, and the column installs directly into the adapter. 1 connection. 0 fittings. Near zero dead volume. Inside the adapter, the mobile phase enters through the inlet, travels through a built-in capillary tube aligned with the axis of the column, flows through the packing bed, and exits through the bypass outlet. This design eliminates dead volume, prevents leakage, and ensures no pop-up capillary tubing. Install the adapter once, using permanent high-pressure fittings. And afterward, you never use fittings again. To replace a column, simply unscrew it, and screw in a new one. No tools, no ferrules, no tubing mistakes. The smooth, protrusion-free body allows full-size labeling, even on the shortest column. The aluminum housing provides efficient heat transfer. The entire assembly fits easily inside standard column heaters and coolers. All SIELC stationary phases are now available in the new format. Reverse and normal phases. Ion exchange. HPLC. Chiral. Ion exclusion, and size exclusion. If you use a guard column, a special guard adapter must be attached to the instrument instead. It also allows instant installation of both the guard and the column. For workflows that require a guard installed inline, use the specialized guard-compatible adapter. And for first-time buyers, the single-column adapter is included free of charge. No fittings, no leaks, no dead volume. The single-ended HPLC column by SIELC introduces a new connection standard for modern chromatography. Once you try, you won't go back.